Hello and welcome to the 7th tutorial about HTML, and today we are going to look at how we can add images to our web pages. And I think let's begin straight away. Now you gonna do this. You have to create a folder on your desktop, and then you give it a name, a folder name, or you can create it anywhere you want to save your website and other images. So I did that, and I created a folder on my desktop, and I put the image that I want. You can put as many images as you want to use them, and then I put my code here, right here. So when I right click to open my code, okay, why we do this is to avoid challenges of getting the location of the image. Yeah, but if you think you can do that, you can still put them in a certain folder and locate it by file name and location. Okay, so now here we are going to borrow the elements we used earlier in the previous videos. Now for instance, my image will need a heading, so I'm going to borrow the heading image. Yeah, I want it to be the biggest heading ever on a website, so I'll get that, and then I close my heading. Okay, just not to forget, right? This is heading 1, and then I come in between here and I say I can say this is regional ICT clubs competition. Yeah, competition. Maybe I can put it was at central. This is where I took it. Yeah, central. Yeah, central. And I can get that small e. Yeah, that's my beautiful heading. Okay, so after I've done that, I can come down here and then introduce a paragraph. Okay, and then after the paragraph, I can introduce my image element. Image element we use actually what we call the img tag, standing for image. And of course we shall need the source of the image. We use src, where source equals open quotes. Yeah, source equals. Now you have to get to know the name of your image. Okay, so when I get here, my image is called regional, and its file type is GPG. So I come here, sorry, I come back to my code, right, and then I put the name of the image that I want to fit in there. It's called regional, right? Regional. Okay, dot, the image type is JPG, so I put JPG. Okay, JPG, and then I close my quotes, I close my image, close my tag, and then I come and close my paragraph. Okay, close my paragraph, and that's all I need to do. Now someone will ask, why am I not closing the image tag? Well, I'm not closing because there's nothing you're adding here like text or anything that will require a reference outside or a title to locate to read. It's just that there's nothing else you're putting apart from the image, and this is just inside of it all. Okay, so there's nothing you're going to refer to again. That's why I'm not closing the image tag. All right, so you can go ahead and save this. You can go ahead and save this. Okay, go ahead and save this. You have saved it to my desktop, and then you can close it, and then open your file document, and then you go to your website, you click, and there we go. Here is my beautiful heading, though it's missing letter L, which I can go back and correct since I have the code. I have the source code, so I can come here and correct that spelling. Say open with notepad, and then on here there is L missing here, and then I add it and I save it. Okay, so after saving that, I can close it again, and then I go back to my web page and then I refresh. Alright, so my beautiful heading is here and my beautiful image is here. So that's basically how we add images to our web pages. Thank you so much for watching this video, and in the next video we shall see how we can do another thing, so don't miss. Bye bye.